Hello students, in previous some sessions we learned the lesson that is Rip Van Winkle. In that lesson we met a Rip Van Winkle named one person who is very lazy and always wants to sleep. So he went on a very high mountain and slept there. Okay, there he met one funny person, and with that funny person he went near a stream and drank some of the related to that barrel. And when he slept for a long time, and when he woke up, what happened? He felt that all his joints ache. Okay, and what happened next we will see in this session. Okay, see, open your textbook of English on page number 82. As he started walking back home, he saw village down below, which someone seemed changed. When he entered the village, he saw new faces. All the people looked at him, rubbed their chin. Seeing them, to this Rip Van Winkle did the same. To his surprise, he found that he had grown a foot-long beard overnight. See what happened? When that Rip Van Winkle slept for a long time, and when he woke up, he went towards his village. But when he entered the village, what happened? All persons watching towards the Rip Van Winkle very surprisingly. Means they remember that that person is looking like Rip Van Winkle, but no one is recognized that that person is himself Rip Van Winkle. And what happened? Rip Van Winkle also confused, because he thought that he only slept for a night, overnight. Overnight means during a night, means only one night. But he confused because if he slept only one night, then his beard increased, grown to a foot long, means his beard grown very long. How it happens? Rip Van Winkle himself also confused. Now next, Rip Van Winkle was puzzled. He believed that he knew most of the village folks well, but today he could not see anyone who was known to him. The children made fun of him. Running behind him, Rip Van Winkle stopped by a place where there had been a school and asked the crowd that had gathered, "Where is the schooner?" The schoolmaster, somebody said, "Oh, schooner, he went to war in 63 and never came back." What happened? Rip Van Winkle wandered in that village. What happened? He never seen that person which known him. Okay, actually he known the folks, means some people or group of people when he lived in that village. But now all the peoples are new and didn't know the Rip Van Winkle, and he is looking so funny. So small children ran away behind him. Okay, and when he wandered, he stopped on one place. That place is one school, and Rip Van Winkle asked the crowd. Well, crowd means what? A group of people gathered on one place. Okay, and when Rip Van Winkle asked, "Where is the schooner?" Schooner means the schoolmaster belongs to that school. That time, one of the person belongs to that crowd said that that schooner went in a war in 63 and never came back. Okay, what happens? See the next. And Daniel asked Rip Van Winkle. He died 18 years back, said someone voice in the crowd. Rip Van Winkle thought, am I going mad? Have I slept all these years on the mountain? First, Rip Van Winkle asked about the schooner. Now he asked about the Daniel, another person. And when Rip Van Winkle asked about the Daniel, another person said from that crowd says that Daniel died before 18 years back. Okay, and listening that answer, Rip Van Winkle got very confused and feeling like, am I mad? Or am I slept so many years on the mountain? All that questions arising in the mind of Rip Van Winkle. Finally, Rip Van Winkle asked, does anyone here remember? Rip Van Winkle, a woman said, yes, he was my father. He went up the mountains 21 years back but never returned. His dog came back without him. What happened? At last, there is very confusion in the mind of Rip Van Winkle. So finally, that Rip Van Winkle asked to the crowd, does anyone remember the Rip Van Winkle who lived in this village? At that time, a sound arose from that crowd. That is, one woman said that, yes, I know Rip Van Winkle because he was my father and he went on the mountain 21 years back and he never came back. Only his dog came back to the home. Okay, means now what happened? See next, Rip Van Winkle was overjoyed. Overjoyed means extremely happy. He said, daughter, it is me, Rip Van Winkle. Don't you recognize me? Recognize means to know who somebody is or identify. Okay. When that woman replied that, I know the Rip Van Winkle because he is my father. At that time, Rip Van Winkle feel extremely happy, overjoyed because he found his daughter and he said, daughter, it is me, Rip Van Winkle. You didn't recognize me? Last paragraph. Oh, my father, it is really you? Where have you been all this while? Said his daughter. Father and daughter hugged each other. Rip Van Winkle had indeed slept for 21 years. And at the end, Rip Van Winkle and his daughter hugged each other and feeling very happy. And he asked, Rip Van Winkle's daughter asked to him, where are you going so many years? In short, Rip Van Winkle slept for 21 years. Isn't it very serious? He slept for 21 years and after 21 years he returned to the village and found his daughter. Understood the story, students? You have to read and at the same time you have to write new words in your notebook and send me the photocopy. Thank you.